Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
Now in this example 2 we are going to check the normality. For that, first of all we go to the stat and we click the basic statistics and go to the graphical summary. Here we choose the column that contains the data that we want to check for normality. In our case it is the percentage yield, and then we click the OK button. So here is our summary report for the yield percentage. We see that the p-value is less than 0.05. It is far less than 0.005. So we accept that, we reject the null hypothesis. So in this case our alternative hypothesis, which says that the data is not normally distributed, is true. We can see that clearly from the histogram as well, as we see that the data are distributed more to the leftmost and the rightmost part rather than being distributed normally and evenly. As we know, there is another process as well. For that we click on the stat, we go to the basic statistics and click the normality test. After we click the normality test, we should select the column that contains the data to check the normality for. We check the column and click OK. Now here too we see that the p-value is less than 0.05. It is in fact less than 0.005. So in this case too, we conclude that the data is not normally distributed. So for these kinds of data, we generally go for the non-parametric tests. As we may have noticed, if these dots or frequency or observations are farther from this red line, then the chance of data being non-normal increases. So in this case too, the data are scattered and are far away from this red line over here.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.